Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Config Vape v4 installed and Roblox Studio updated. Open Studio, enable Developer Console and API access so scripts can run. Once done, back up the place and note module ID, asset keys, and any existing key bindings to avoid conflicts. Now load Config Vape v4 into Studio and import the base config. This ensures you begin from a known state rather than patching unknown variables. Once the base is loaded, you map core features like aimbot, ESP, and MISC toggles to distinct keys so they won't collide. Next, tune sensitivity, FOV, and smoothing percentages, then test in a private server to evaluate behavior. Make targeted edits to module ID and replace defaults with your asset ID to ensure compatibility. While configuring, save incremental configs so you can revert to a prior working state if a change breaks functionality. To finish, run a full playtest focusing on latency, hit registration, and feature conflicts so you confirm stability. If something fails, check Developer Console logs to identify errors, restore the backup if needed, and isolate the offending module by re-enabling features one at a time. Make sure to export a clean, final config file and document working keybinds. This saves time when you update or reinstall. A common tip: disable overlays first if inputs behave oddly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.